The eternal victim. Beware the trap of the eternal victim, a character in life's grand play who seems forever ensnared in misfortune's grip. This person's story is a relentless stream of woes, with each day bringing a fresh batch of troubles. They wear their suffering like a badge, yet oddly, they're stuck in a cycle of inaction. Complaining becomes their comfort zone, a strange symphony of groans and gripes to anyone within earshot. But here's the twist: their troubles are often self-crafted. Like a captain who ignores the compass, they sail into storms of their own making, yet wonder why the seas are never calm. Marcus Aurelius once observed, "Our life is what our thoughts make it." This rings true especially for the eternal victim. Their narrative, a concoction of pessimism and passivity, is a self-fulfilling prophecy. Offering a hand to help might seem noble, but tread carefully. Engage too deeply, and their whirlpool of problems might drag you down.